Welcome back to Yacht Addiction. The yacht in front of me is a Vicem Classic 65. Vicem is a custom yacht builder based out of Turkey. We're going to tour this yacht inside and out. Let's go ahead and get started with the tour. So we're going to start the tour inside the cockpit, where you have a large teak table that folds over. And you have this large wraparound seating area. You can see there's one cushion and backrest that is missing, and that's for a step, so you can make your way up to the bow. And overhead, there is a sure shade built into the roof of the cockpit. Over on the starboard side, there is a grill, as well as a refrigerator. I am at the Newport International Boat Show, so it's a bit crowded today, so let's check out the bow first. This boat is extremely wide. You have a huge sun pad area up here. And then forward of that, you have your anchor. And in here is the storage for your anchor chain and fenders. If you enjoyed these yacht tours, please remember to leave a like on the video. It helps me out more than you could ever know. Let's head inside the main salon. So inside the main salon, you're greeted with all of this custom mahogany work. There are seating areas on either side. And this table will fold over, so this is also the dining area. There's also a TV on the starboard side. Like I mentioned, you have mahogany all throughout this yacht, and we are at the show, so it's covered, but there is a beautiful mahogany floor as well underneath with some nice inlay. Moving forward to the helm, you'll see you have dual Garmin multifunction displays. You have your autopilot control, your searchlight control, trim tab control. These will control the Garmin displays. You have your throttle control and VHF radio. There's a compass right ahead. And I also noticed a couple cool gauges overhead. You have a high tide, low tide indicator, a clock, and a barometric pressure gauge. It's pretty neat to see. You also have a side access door, so you can easily get up to the bow. You have this beautiful stitched double helm seat. Opposite of the helm, you have this small desk or navigation area. And another double stitch seat. So stepping down into the galley, you'll see a Miele 4-burner cooktop, and this is actually a vent for the cooktop. Here is your freezer. Opposite of that, you have 2 drawer refrigerators. You have your microwave, and the electrical panel is right above that. Of course, you have your sink and your built-in dishwasher. So the master cabin is forward on this yacht. This is a 3-cabin layout. And you can see this beautiful master cabin. It has a large queen bed with a TV mounted on the wall. You have 2 large storage closets on either side of the room. And the ensuite is gorgeous. You have your sink, as well as your toilet, and a walk-in shower. Now here is the day head, and this also shares responsibilities as the ensuite for the third cabin. But it still has a separate shower stall. Shower room is really a better way to put it. And the third cabin is through this door, but we'll walk around. So you have 2 single berths, but there is an inflow cushion that you can put right here and turn this into a queen bed. And this room also has a Pullman berth, so you can add a 3rd single bed as well.
And that's a little more traditional.
Now here is the second cabin, or VIP cabin. You have 2 more single beds, but once again, there's a cushion that goes here and makes this into a queen. There's beautiful detail all throughout. And of course, this has its own ensuite. There is a separate washer and dryer in each of these closets.
Yeah.
So through the hatch into the cockpit, you'll see you have a decent sized captain's cabin. Obviously right now it's being used for storage. And here is the head. You have a large mechanical space over here. And then the engines are through this door. This yacht comes with a pair of Volvo Penta D13 900s. This is a straight shaft yacht, so you can see those shafts right there. This yacht cruises in the low 20s, and top speed is in the mid 20s. This is a very large engine room. Here is your Cummins generator. It's also very well lit. Because there's so much traffic on the yacht, we'll make our way up to the bow to do the outro. Like always, let me know in the comment section what you thought of this yacht. Thank you so much for watching the tour. Thank you to Vicem Yachts for setting up the tour. They will be linked down in the description below if you want to see this yacht in more detail. Until next time.